वेल्ल्यो किंवा व्हायट सार्दिन्साची ही कथा आसा ती किंवा स्टोरी फुडें व्हरता आसतना सुद्दां आमकां खुबसो विचार करचो पडटा की ह्यो वेल्ल्यो तश्यो सवाय नात. ह्यो वेल्ल्यो आज जवळ जवळ 2 ते 5 रुपया एक, म्हणजे आज हो 100 रुपयाचो वांटो, म्हणजे स्मॉल पोर्शन इज सोल्ड फॉर 100 to 200 rupees. So if you count, I will have around 60-70 of these white sardines in this portion, which cost around 200 rupees. So it is about 2 to 3 rupees each. That is the cost of this Vellyos or white sardine fish. But is it really worth it? I would say that the way we in Goa, in authentic Goan cuisine, I repeat that authentic Goan cuisine is not easy for anyone to follow. It is a very old ancient tradition of at least 2000 years since spices began to be cultivated in Goa and then improvised after the introduction of chilies and exotic fruits and vegetables by the Portuguese in 16th century. We have two phases in the evolution of Goan cuisine or authentic Goan cuisine. And the one of the most important ingredient in preparation of these is tefra and garlic and ginger. That without these three ingredients, onion, tefra or garlic and ginger, we cannot have good preparation of this, because there is a off flavor, that particular, the flavor of the smell of the fish has to be offset with this one use of the tefra. This tefra berry is available in forest of Goa and exclusively used in Konkan, Goa and Uttar Kannada districts in many preparations of fish. Without tefra, you cannot claim the Goan authentic cuisine as a really Goan cuisine. So this tefra use is known to only the Goans who know how to get either green tefra berries or ripe black and crushed tefra berries, and the correct proportion to be used in wet preparation, spicy preparation of these Vellyos. We will see about these preparations in the next video.